Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag. And now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you will always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, bliss pink, happy blue, and mystic purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive, but with iRejoy you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.
Doesn't it worry you, seeing your child's sore neck flopped over when they're sleeping in the car? We all know how distracting it is every time you turn around to try and lift it up, only to have it fall down again.
Oh hey, do you know what's in the air you breathe? Well, I do, and now I can't imagine not knowing. Truth is, your indoor air can be 5 times more polluted than outdoors, impacting allergies, asthma, eczema, sleep, and much more. Fortunately, I have Awair. Awair tracks chemicals and toxins in your air and gives you personalized recommendations to help you keep it clean and safe. Awair's sensors identify the 5 key factors that determine your air quality: dust, chemicals, CO2, humidity, and temperature. Awair lets you know when and how these change as soon as it happens. You can also see your current air quality on the app, where you can track your improvements over time. Awair can even connect with other smart products to automatically keep your air clean and healthy. So yeah, you should probably know what's in your air. With Awair, I know I can breathe easy.
Hey, Aaron.
Hey, pal.
Do you want to hear a fun fact?
Sure.
I have your fortune here. Someday soon you will order the extra spicy, but later wish you'd ordered the mild.
Likely.
Meet Jibo. He looks, listens, and learns. Repair your glasses with Bondic. First, remove residue from the surface with the Bondic Clean Pad. This allows you to create ideal conditions for sturdy attachment. Activate the Bondic LED. Apply Bondic on the respective damaged areas. Bondic remains liquid for years and only becomes solid through contact with the Bondic LED. Harden Bondic using the LED. Apply Bondic in layers until the desired strength is achieved. Thanks to the Bondic LED, Bondic hardens completely within few moments. Your glasses are immediately ready for use.